Right, this is the last bit of outlying suburbs. We're heading into town proper. This is an old farmer place again as well. They also have a very old tennis court. Tennis over here in Australia was very popular, you know, from probably the 1920s onwards up until about the 70s, and then it sort of petered off. But yeah, as you can see, we're walking along the railway. People do like planting trees as borders, but why would you pick pine trees? Honestly, they look like some sort of American tree. I can't remember if they drop their leaves or not, but yes, there's that not so old farmer's house, but it certainly would have been a big one back in the day. Anyway, we're going to carry on down here.